Alright, this is Dave's yard. This is what it looks like. It's March the 11th. Really clumpy. I think he needs to do an overseed and an aeration. I'm gonna go back here and just take a look. This side ended up coming up pretty good because this was one of the bad sides before, but it looks pretty good now. Got a little moss and mold back here. But I just wanted to come and take a look at his yard because he told me I can come and mow it again. Looks like they had some stuff killed. It's a big yard and I push mow it, y'all. I don't know, I guess he's gonna have it reseeded or whatever. I just wanted to come and take a look.